Hello, my name is Jerry and I am an artist. I did the pictures in this book, Where Are You Puffling? Written by Erica McGann. Now, as we're all stuck inside a lot these days, we're getting lots of reading done and drawing too. It's one of my favorite things to do. Do we all like to draw? Yes! So I've done a video of Puffling, a step-by-step draw along with me video, and now I'm going to do one of a whale. Let's just have a look at the whales in our story. Oh, here we have right in the back, that big whale there, and then there's two here that bring Puffling back to the island on the boat. If you want to hear the story, I've also made a video of myself reading it. And there's the whales again. So we're going to do a picture of a whale. They are huge animals, way, way bigger than little Puffling. They're so big, as far as I know, they're bigger than any dinosaur that ever lived. Now, how are we going to fit such a huge animal onto our little page here? Well, I'm going to start off with the tail down here, and then I'm going to go all the way up the page this way, up to the top with the rest of the whale's body. So let's start with that. The tail would be a simple enough shape like this. One side, if you're drawing along, take a look, and then this is the other side of the tail. Okay, so now, like I said, we're going to go all the way up the page, all the way up the back of the whale. So huge, all the way up to the head. Keep going, and then stop around there. Now we're going to come all the way back down again, all the way down to about here, and stop. Now, can we see it all there? If I fit it in correctly onto the screen. Yes. So here is a flipper. Whales have a flipper to get them through the water nice and quickly. Very fast actually. Put in a flipper here, and then we can continue with the whale's belly all the way down to the tail, and we would be able to see the other flipper then just here, if you want to put in your other flipper. Okay, so the whale needs to see where she is. We'll put in the eye. So I'm just going to turn it around a little so I can get it over here. Kind of a small eye, that shape. And then put in a dot there, and I can make her smile with a bit of a wavy line like that. There's our whale. Okay, do you know how whales breathe? It is a hole on the top of their head, a blowhole. That's where they breathe out through, and it splashes up through the water. Because this whale is going to be in the water now, we can show that she's under the sea, or maybe she's going to be popping her head up out of the sea. That'll be better. What else I could put on the whale? A line going down here, just on her belly. Maybe just one more. These are stretchy lines that you see down the whale's throat, because they eat so much. This throat, this belly gets huge. It comes out like a big ball full of water, as well as all the food all the fish eat. And then they squeeze it out, and out through their mouth. The water goes out through their mouth, and they're left with their food. Okay, so here is the whale in the water, which means we just put in a few waves across that way. She's sticking her head up, which is what they do to have a look around. Now in the background, I'm going to put another line, okay? And that can be the distance, where we can then see some land, which would be Kerry. Lots of whales off the coast of Kerry. We could also squeeze in here, quite small, put in two little triangles, an M shape, and that can be the Skellig Islands. Okay? Put some little birds around it then. I really need to have a huge piece of paper for this, I think. Okay, not to worry. These are humpback whales, so we could put in some of the lumpy bits that they have on the top of their head. And there is our whale. Maybe if you wanted to, you could add in some more sea creatures that would be under the water, some little fish. You can put in loads of fish. We could put in, who's this? A jellyfish. Put in a few jellyfish. Stingy. Don't want to touch them, but they look amazing. Okay. You put in a starfish. It's floating around, looking for something to nibble on. It should really be on the seafloor, I think. Yeah, you could add in sharks, you could add in a dolphin, you could add in all the sea creatures you can think of that live off the Kerry coast. There's our whale. And if you'd like to share your picture, it would be really nice to see it, maybe on the social media. You could ask a grown-up and they could use hashtag draw a puffin. I know this isn't a puffin, but that's what I'm going to use. Okay, there it is. Right, thank you. Bye.